Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if the Instagram Reels option is not showing up on your Instagram application. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started. So in today's guide video, I'm going to show you some of the simple steps on how you can fix the issue if Instagram Reels are not showing up on your Instagram application. If I open my Instagram account right over here, you can see I currently don't have the Reels option. So how do we go on about fixing this? Well, the first thing we definitely want to do is first of all make sure that our application is up to date. So if you're on your iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter anyway really, you want to simply open your app store. Once you do that, in the search box you can just simply go ahead and type in Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you can see, as in my case, the update is available. So what we want to do is, if you do also have an update available, then you need to simply go ahead and update the Instagram application right over here and wait until the update has been completed all over. So as you can see, our update has been successfully completed. Now I'm going to simply open Instagram and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. So let me just open Instagram right over here and show you if it has been fixed or not. But if I go over here, you can see we still don't have the Reels option over here. Another thing we want to simply do is, if you're on your Android or your iOS, you want to simply go ahead and open your settings. For iOS users, what you want to do is you want to simply offload the application once, and for Android users, you want to simply go ahead and open your application section. Once you open your application sections, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and search for Instagram, and after we tap on Instagram, what we want to do is we want to go to the storage option at the bottom of the screen. Here at the right hand side of the screen, you'll find an option called clear cache. So I'm going to simply clear the cache of this application, and if you want, you can also go ahead and tap on clear data. Simply disable all of the data, and then you will have to log back into your account again. Now if this solution worked, that's completely fine. Now the only final thing which I can suggest to you after all of this is that simply open Instagram account. After we open Instagram and go to our profile page, on the top right hand side you will see the menu icon. We want to simply tap on this menu icon right over here, and here at the bottom we want to go to settings. So as we go to settings, what we want to do is, here we want to look for the option called help. Once you find help, simply tap on it. Now what we are going to do is actually send a report to Instagram that Instagram Reels are not showing up. So what we want to do is, at the top you want to simply go ahead and tap on report a problem, and here you can tap on send feedback. As you tap on send feedback or report a problem, it will prepare a report screen for you, and here you would simply like to type in Instagram Reels not showing up. If you want, you could also add a screenshot from your gallery by actually showing the screenshot of a device that there is currently no any type of Reels option on my account. Once you do that, on the top you can simply tap on submit button. So as you tap on the submit button, you can see our report has been sent to Instagram. Now if updating the application didn't work, as well as clearing data and cache files also didn't work, you can also try uninstalling it. If none of these solutions work, then you want to simply wait until Instagram gets back to you, hopefully, because Reels is something, it is not available still in not some of the countries in the world. So you want to simply make sure until it is available in your country as well. That could also be one of the reasons why. So we have sent a report to Instagram, so we want to simply wait until hopefully they reach us back. So we hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.